What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro, Poco X6 Pro and the Poco X6 smartphones, and in this video we are going to unbox the Poco X6 Pro. I will make separate videos for M6 Pro and the X6, so if you're interested in seeing the unboxing of these two devices as well, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we got the Poco X6 Pro. First of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So here we got the name of the device, Poco branding, 5G branding. Here we got the information that it comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and the color variant we got of Poco X6 Pro is black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here is a silicon TPU case in the same color as the device, so it's black in color. Here we got the Poco X6 Pro 5G, and here you can have a look on some of the hardware specs of the device. A 67-watt charger, and here is the USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Poco X6 Pro 5G, the smartphone, the case, quick start guides, USB Type-C cable, 67-watt charger, and this SIM card tray ejector pin. So here you can have a look on some of the hardware specs of the device, that it comes with flagship level MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor. We got Crystal Rays 120Hz Flow AMOLED display, 64 megapixel triple camera setup with optical image stabilization, 67-watt fast charging with 5000 mAh battery. Poco X6 Pro in black color. You can see how glossy finish we got here. It's very shiny and reflective. So let's switch on the device. So as you can see that it comes with Xiaomi's latest HyperOS. So we will have to go through the setup process first, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Poco X6 Pro here. So the setup is completed and we are good to go with our Poco X6 Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Poco X6 Pro comes with 6.67-inch display with 94% screen to body ratio. So the front side is basically just display. The bezels on the side as well as at the bottom are extremely thin. The same goes with the top bezel as well. We got this tiny punch hole at the top center of the display where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it there is a tiny slit provided where you will find the earpiece. At the top we got the speaker grill, IR blaster, the microphone. At the bottom we got speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, the SIM card tray slot. On the right side we got the power key and volume rockets, and there is nothing provided on the left side. We got the in-display fingerprint sensor on Poco X6 Pro, and on the back of the device we got these regulatory information along with 5G branding. At the top there is the camera module where you will find Poco branding, 64 megapixel camera branding. The camera module is coming a bit out of the back panel, so if you put it on a flat surface it will wobble a bit. The back panel is curved on all four sides, and because of that it provides a very nice grip while holding the device in hand. Poco X6 Pro with plastic back panel comes with 8.25 mm thickness and it weighs 186 grams, so it is pretty lightweight, and because of the huge screen to body ratio you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. Poco X6 Pro is IP54 rated for splash resistance, but it would be better if the IP rating was a bit advanced, because considering rest of the hardware specs, the IP54 is pretty basic on an upper mid-range smartphone like Poco X6 Pro. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 2160 Hz, so the display is perfect for the gamers. The screen to body ratio is huge, and with 94% screen to body ratio on a 1.5K resolution 6.67-inch display, the PPI you will get is pretty nice, and because of that the display of Poco X6 Pro is gorgeous. You can see how beautiful it is looking. The colors are very pleasant, the display is sharp and the viewing angles are great. The typical maximum brightness is 500 nits. It can go up to 1200 nits in high brightness mode, and it can go as high as 1800 nits in the peak brightness mode. So you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors or in any lighting condition. And at 120Hz refresh rate, the display is very smooth, as you can see here. Now talking about the hardware specs, the Poco X6 Pro comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor that is especially designed for Xiaomi and Poco devices. We got Mali G615 GPU, 12GB RAM, and it comes with memory extension feature using which you can increase the RAM up to 8GB more on Poco X6 Pro. We got 512GB storage on this device. It also comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage configuration. And to keep the device cool, the Poco X6 Pro comes with Liquid Cool Technology 2.0. So considering the top-notch Dimensity 8300 Ultra, 2160Hz touch sampling rate and the Liquid Cool Technology 2.0, the gaming performance is supposed to be great on this device. Our gaming review of Poco X6 Pro will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. In terms of software, the Poco X6 Pro comes with Android 14 and the Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0. In terms of appearance and features, the Xiaomi HyperOS is pretty much same like the MIUI, and as we already know that MIUI is a very feature-rich software and ROM for Xiaomi and Poco smartphones. So it comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to customize your user experience on this device here. We will talk about the software-based features in our other videos, but right now I just want to give you an idea that how feature-rich is the Xiaomi HyperOS. As you can see here on the home screen here, you will find lots of Google applications as well as lots of Xiaomi applications like the Get Apps, Mi Browser, Game Center, Music, Themes, Mi Video, Gallery, and it also comes with some bloatware and some specific folders where you will find these third-party bloatware applications as well as some games pre-installed on the device. But the good part is that if you do not want to have these games or applications, you can easily uninstall them from your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. Talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front-facing camera, 64 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo, where you can have lots of options like the HDR, motion tracking focus, there is AI camera mode. It also comes with dedicated macro mode because we've got a macro lens on Poco X6 Pro. If you go to the video mode, here you can see that it comes with HDR. You can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS as well as 24 FPS, and you can record 1080p resolution videos up to 60 FPS. And it comes with some advanced features like the motion tracking focus. We also got the teleprompter, and the macro mode is available for video recording as well. Then we got the document, we got the pro mode, we got the dedicated night mode. If you go to more, you can see that it comes with a 64 megapixel imaging mode. We got panorama, short film, slow motion time lapse, long exposure, and the option to edit all of these options we got here. Here are some pictures I captured on Poco X6 Pro, and as you can see, the camera performance is looking pretty solid. But we will see how good it's going to be in our detailed camera review of the device as well as in our final review video of Poco X6 Pro, but at the first glance, it is looking pretty impressive for sure. Overall, Poco X6 Pro is looking one of the best smartphone in its price segment at the first glance, as it comes with flagship level Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor, huge screen to body ratio, a gorgeous display with very high touch sampling rate, 1800 nits maximum peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the display, Liquid Cool Technology 2.0, 5000 mAh battery with fast 67 watt charging, studio speaker setup, IR blaster, and a very promising looking camera setup. The only thing I would like to be better here is a better IP rating for the device because it comes with a very basic and minimal splash resistance protection with IP54 rating. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Poco X6 Pro like the gaming review, benchmarking, test results, comparison with other smartphones, the camera review, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.